two car frozen. I need to do something today.
Start the engine, hit the gear foot, heading way up north, past the airport runways where the planes are holding for.
To
The wind is whipping off the plains, the sky is big and blue, but I've got a day.
I need to invent something like this, create this thing like this, so I can put it outside and put the block heaters, cables, extensions.
Now pack your bags into the trunk, we're heading back down.
So we're here at Jollibee Cross Iron Mills with Brooke and her friend. We're gonna do some mukbang, Jollibee mukbang today. So we are here at Cross Iron, and behind me is Bass Pro Shops. I think we're gonna get some hats again. We're gonna buy some hats, Bass Pro Shop hats today for a souvenir. So we have here hats. I have orange, black, blue, some different colors here. Orange, two orange, two orange. Light blue. Yeah. So these are the logo caps. It's got embroidered
Sunridge in the rear view, cross
logo.
iron in the past. My feet are sore, my wallet's light, but the memories will last. Just a Calgary Saturday,
I think I need
the way it's
red,
meant to be, between the mills and the ridge.
red and yellow, maybe.
That's the life
Red
for
and
me.
yellow and black.
Yeah, that's the life for me.
So I just got a black hat again, a black version of the hat. And, yeah. I think looking for Starbucks. We're gonna go Starbucks. I mean, I will go to Starbucks. I will find I need equivalent for grande caramel macchiato. Nora. So I bought a leather jacket from Levi's. Yeah, I used to have one of these. I don't know where it is. I don't know where it is now. So I'm gonna wear it now. Size large, made in China. And I'm going to put this in my car and come back here. Do a makeover. So I changed my jacket to black jacket. Earlier I was wearing Carhartt. Now I'm wearing a leather jacket. Black Levi's leather jacket. Bass Pro Shop hot hat. So yeah. Levi's 501 jeans, blue jeans. We are here at Cross Iron. I'm gonna pick up Rogue again. So it's shop. What is it? Anyway, welcome to Cross Iron Mills, where the Bass Pro Shop is. So we'll see if my package is ready. Looking for this one here, 50 regular. This is 40 regular, mine is 50 regular. Yeah. Here for a package is ready. Look for parties. Tuxedo. The color of this. $7.49. Yes. I'll show you the turtleneck. They actually have good turtlenecks here. Oh, this is nice. This is what I have right now. These are actually good. Size large is good. Green is good too.
Start the engine, hit the deer foot, heading way up north.
Maybe large.
Past the airport runway, where the planes are holding for.
I'm going to get it.
The wind is whipping off the plane.
Again.
The sky is big and blue, but I got a date with retail and a brand new pair
So
of shoes.
retro color.
Pulling to the park
So Elvis color. Very
stretches for
vintage
a
color.
mile. Walking through the entry to
So we're trying this
with a deal
jacket here, size 40 regular.
we're walking through the cross siren wind,
Link.
where the bass pro fish are jumping and the outlet sales begin. From the food court to the fashion, yeah, we're covering the ground. It's the biggest giant windmill mall that's ever been found. Now pack the bags into
This
the
is 40 regular.
heading back downstream to the heart of the Northeast, where the neon starts to gleam. Pulling into Sunridge, where the vibe is hooting home, where you don't need a marathon just to find a brand new phone. The
Nice.
Hudson's Bay
Good on.
is standing
Yeah,
tall,
actually
the
40
light
regular.
is streaming in, checking out the latest drops. Let the afternoon begin. From the Sunridge corridors to the cross iron hall. Calgary, we're living for the spirit of the malls.
did in my hands here.
One's a
Maybe.
destination, one's the local Sunday spot. We're hitting every clearance rack and taking what they've got.
Do you think you can longer my hands? Do you think you can maximize it? Because I really like long hands.
So if you can do it maximum.
Yeah, yeah. Because I don't like I went to Vietnam and it's like this short. Like, yeah, I'll go.
This is a monitor. Do you want to still keep it monitor or you want to switch this?
No, this is good. This is good. I like that. It's nice. Let's extend the arms. Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna extend the arms because I think it's short a little bit.
Just a Calgary Saturday, the way it's meant to be.
So I want this longer.
Between the mills and the red.
The maximum you can do.
That's the life for me. Yeah, that's the life for me.
So I decided not to do the alteration because this could be okay if I don't wear sweater or my thick clothing underneath. I think this is good enough. I don't need to cut it or extend it. Yeah, that's the drill. I think I'm just gonna grab some drinks here. Boba tea.
Whipping off the plains. The sky is big and blue, but I've got a date with retail in a brand new pair of shoes. Pulling to the parking lot, it stretches for a mile. Walking through the entry too, with a deal hunting smile. Oh, we're walking through the cross siren wind, where the bass pro fish are jumping and the outlet sales begin. From the food court to the fashion, yeah, we're covering the ground. It's the biggest giant windmill mall that's ever been found. Now pack the bags into the trunk. We're heading back downstream to the heart of the Northeast, where the neon starts to gleam. Pulling into Sunridge, where the vibe is hood and home, where you don't need a marathon just to find a brand new phone. The Hudson's Bay is standing tall. The light is streaming in, checking out the latest drops. Let the afternoon begin. From the Sunridge corridors to the cross iron halls, Calgary, we're living for the spirit of the malls. One is big and rustic, one is classic through and through. If you got a credit card, there's a world of things to do. In Balzac, we're dodging tourists in the fossil line.